yogis! I'm Mimi, and I'm so happy you're here! Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to Nimi! Now, let's take a gentle breath together. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. This pose helps your mind slow down and tells your body you are safe. Stretch your arms wide. Reach one hand to your foot and look up to the sky. Switch sides and reach for your other foot. Stretch your top hand to the sky and take a calm breath. Wonderful! You just opened your chest and helped your brain feel fresh and awake. Stretch your legs forward, reach for your toes, and take a slow, deep breath. Wonderful! This pose makes your back soft, your legs flexible, and your mind quiet. Bring your feet together, hold your toes, and flap your knees like butterfly wings. You're flying high, and your mind feels lighter already. Lie on your belly and gently lift your chest up. Rest on your elbows and lift your chest softly, just like a proud little Sphinx. Opens your heart and boosts confidence. Sit on your knees. Slowly place your hands behind you on your heels and lift your chest up. This heart-opening pose releases deep stress and invites courage and peace inside you. Place your hands under your shoulders and lift your body straight, like a strong board. This pose makes your body strong and helps your mind stay focused. From plank, shift to your right hand and lift your left arm up. Switch sides and hold steady. Sit tall, cross one leg, and gently twist your body to one side. Switch sides. Perfect! Twists help your tummy, spine, and brain all feel fresh and clear. Lie down softly on your back. Close your eyes and feel calm breaths in and out. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this yoga time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Yogi Buddies. See you in the next calm and happy session.